Hey, good morning, fellow wet shavers. We were back with another shaving video. This is Saturday morning, the day before Easter. I hope, whatever your beliefs are, I hope you have some great plans for this weekend. So, cheers to you all. All right. We got something kind of special and very new to me to show you guys this week. I mentioned in my last video that I was sniped with a Yulay lathering bowl. Excuse me. And this is it. Check it out. Look at those ridges, those honeycombs in there. I've done a couple of practice lathers with this, and this thing can whip up a mean old lather, so we're going to see how it works today. Number 2. I actually got something from another wet tuber, Jim Combs. He told me he was going to send me a couple of Feather Professional light blades. So that's from Jim. Thanks, dude. I do appreciate this. So today's Kamisori shave, I'll be using Feather Professional light blades. I've got it right here, and it's not loaded yet, but it will be loaded here in a few seconds. Let me go ahead and get into the shave gear. All right, so I was kind of trying to figure out what type of soap to use today, and I thought, you know what? I had some suggestions from another fellow wet tuber. He said anything Stirling. I thought, oh, that's actually a really good idea. I do like Stirling when I use my CJB. And I thought, okay, what Stirling scent should I use? And then I saw Chris Madden's video today. He did a shave with Tundra, and I thought, you know, go on Glacial, baby. Margaritas in the Arctic, Glacial. This is a really, really great scent, and it's springtime, so it's citrusy, it's beautiful, so we're gonna be going with that today. I have that blooming over here. For post shave, Stirling unscented glacial aftershave, and we're going with the mentholated unscented balm glacial. So we are doing a full tilt glacial shave today. And brush, I think you guys can see where I'm going with this. It's also going to be a Stirling brush. So I'm going to try bowl lathering with this fan brush today, so we'll see how that goes. All right, I'm going to load up this blade really quick. All right, let's see here. There we go. You guys can see that? It's in there. Oh, there's like not a whole lot of exposure. Check this out. You guys can, I don't know if you guys can see this. This will be fun to use. Let me get some more hot water going in just a second. Some hot water to get that blade a little warm. Okay. What else we got going? Oh, and I've got the mentholated witch hazel too ready to go as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this bloom water on my face, and then we'll get rocking. Here it is. It's a great scent. I don't know if you guys have tried margaritas in the Arctic, but if you like citrus and you like menthol, you've got to try this. There we go. There. Let's see. I got stuff everywhere. Okay. Let's go ahead and bring out the brush, and we're just gonna load it like we really hate it. Right, like I mentioned, this is Saturday morning, so I really hope everybody's off to a everybody's weekend is off to a great start. Mine is. I took my wife into work this morning. You know, it's kind of becoming a little tradition now. If I don't have to, if I'm not on a trip or something like that, you know, I like to take her into work so she has a little bit of time to rest. You know, it's a tough job being a nurse. So, just try to do my part when I can. Those bad boys are getting nice and loaded. Loaded. Probably. Well, you know, if you think you have enough, add some more. Yeah, we're good. Nice and caked up. I'm gonna put this on my face. You do not waste menthol soaps. Especially this one. Only comes out once a year for a couple of months. There we go. All right. Let me rinse off my puck, my jar, whatever you want to call it. I know some people don't do that, but I do. I like to keep it clean. See? Clean. All right. We're going to go ahead and get into this bowl lather here. All right, so you guys can see the brush is nice and caked. Dry bowl. Like I mentioned, I've done a couple test lathers with this. The only complaint I have, you can't press soap into here because it's very difficult for the brush hairs to get into the bottom of those honeycombs. So that's, if I have one complaint, it's that. But this thing whips up a mean old freaking lather. But it's pretty much a dry brush. I'm gonna have a shit ton of lather. Holy crap. I have no water in here yet, but look at this. Look at how creamy it is already. See if you guys see. Look at that. So I'm gonna dip. Wow. This is cool. Dip. You know, guys, I'm still learning how to bowl lather, so wow, this is freaking creamy. Wow. Okay, this thing works really well. If you like the bowl lather, this thing is freaking crazy. A little bit more. If you guys want to make a Jeffrey Smith lather, this is your ticket. Holy crap. Ooh. As you guys know, the menthol soaps, they don't have a lot of volume, so they don't kind of like explode. But man, this is so shiny. I can add some more water. Wow, this is pretty cool. Don't have a lot though, which is kind of weird. I've got enough for my shave, but I can use some more water. Here we go. I've never bowl lathered with a fan brush, I don't think. Works pretty good. Okay. So since I already have some soap on my face, I'll probably have to add a little bit of water. But look at this. Look at that. This is beautiful. Yep, I'm gonna have to add something to my face. Shoot. Just a little bit though. Just slicking it up a bit. A little bit more. Beautiful. Beautiful. I mentioned before that whether I bowl or face lather, I still like to work it in my whiskers. It's just shiny. There we go. I think I like this. This might be a tad on the dry side, but you know what? Ooh, we can roll with it. All right. Okay. There we go. So, never used this blade before, first time, so let's get cracking. So again, like the last shave, I might be a tad on the quiet side, okay guys? I just want to concentrate. First stroke with the grain. Nice. Smooth. Smooth. Forgot to mention how many days of growth. Wednesday was my last shave. Oh. I think, as far as shavettes go, I think I like these blades better than, excuse me, than using the DEs. They're longer, and with this part you can maneuver a little bit easier, I think. Just personal opinion. Not bad, not bad. Pretty good. Pretty good. Right. We're going on the left side now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Good, looking good. I keep bugging Spencer about doing a shave by shave. Oh, son of a gun. That's never happened before. Hold on. Alright, let's get this guy back on here. Well, it's always the first time, right, guys? Let's see how long it lasts. All right, get this off. Here we go. But yeah, I keep bugging Spencer about doing a shave at shave. He's all, every time I see Leroy do one, I should do one. But then what does he do? He busts out the DE. So good. Okay, I can't get the hair out right now. All right. The jugular. Those blades are nice. Hope I just got myself. Okay. Excuse me, the tricky part of the jugular. Buff, buff, buff. I've never looked into it, but guys, are there any other shavettes that use the Feather Artist Club blades? I'm curious. Hey, that's a pretty good first pass. I'm going to rinse off and then go into round 2. Do a cold water rinse. There we go. And add a little bit of water to my lather here. Yeah, I was curious about that, if there's any other shavettes out there that take the Feather Club. So if you guys know, please chime in below. I can start looking into some other ones, because I think I like these blades more than the DE. Oh, the DE is fun. It's another beast, you know? Another toy, another tool to get the job done. Yeah. Okay. 20 minutes. Not too bad. Alright. Alright, this is the cross grain / against the grain. Like a little hybrid pass for me. A real test of a blade. So far, so good. Not bad, not bad. Yeah, see, I got myself a little bit right there. I felt it too. Oh man, I'm a little bit. Going pretty good, going pretty good. Right, it's the other side. Oh guys, I got some news. Hopefully you guys follow him, but if not, the Red Island Shaver, Justin. If you guys follow his channel, you know, he was going to have some eye surgery, you know. Well, he had it. He's okay, but poor guy, man, he's in a lot of pain. So, guys, if you're in the groups that he's in, send him out some good vibes, all right? He needs it right now. I feel bad for the guy, man. It's tough. It's tough. Got myself right there. That one I didn't feel. All right, let's see what we got here. You guys see? Feels good. Feels good. I'll make myself a little bit right there, but not bad, guys. Not bad. Okay. Let's see here. Light touch. Couple of leaks. This is a pretty good shave. Really good shave. Dry this off a little bit. Right. think I might have my strokes down. Next, it's just trying to get the muscle memory, you know. Yeah, that's a tricky. That takes time. Oh, my angle's all messed up. Sorry, guys. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. Holy Toledo, guys. This is freaking awesome. This is what I like about Stirling soaps. Just add a little bit of water. Glides right over. Just awesome. Awesome. Holy crap. That little bit of against the green stuff. But holy crap. This is awesome. I'm done. I'm done. But I'm gonna whip up a little bit of lather and just kind of rub it in my face because I can. But look at this. It's good. This is can you guys see it? Oh. I mean, this bowl actually, it whips up the lather really, really well. This is awesome. All right, let me just scoop it out here. And it really helps that I have a good soap and know how to use it. Oh man, this is such a great smell. Yeah. Oh, that's good. Oh my gosh, that's good. So, one thing that I like about this this version of Stirling's Glacial is the menthol doesn't overpower the scent of the soap. Like, I've got Eskimo Tuxedo, which is their Glacial Sharp Just Man. Sharp Just Man is based on Craig's Green Irish Tweed, so it's a really big seller for Stirling. I think that scent is a big seller for any artisan that makes it. But they when they add the menthol, it's kind of a 50-50 ratio of the scent, to me anyways. You can still smell the Sharp Dressed Man scent, but you still get that hit of menthol. But this one, almost no menthol. It's actually, to be honest, it smells similar to their standard Mita or Margaritas in the Arctic. It's really, really nice. Real nice. All right, let me go ahead and rinse this off and then we'll go into the post shave. Bear with me. Cold water. Oh, it feels good. It feels really good. God dang, that was a great freaking shave. Holy crap. Yeah, I mean, I got a few loose hairs like this big old one. I wonder if I can. I'm probably asking for trouble right now. Yeah, that's good. Good enough. All right, let me go ahead and put on this wet chainsaw here. Since I'm waiting, sip of coffee. Iced coffee, man. Oh, I love iced coffee. So I got some menthol crystals in there, and it's starting to, I can feel it. It feels good. Let that dry off a little bit. Guys, I'm so freaking stoked about this shave. Really good. Really good. Got a couple of weepers, but it's okay. I think I'll probably, I got some alum here. Let me see what it will do. See if it'll close it up. Oh yeah, a little bit of feedback right there, but it's okay. I'm used to it. Oh, sorry guys. Yeah, that'll work. Alright. I haven't used this for a little while, so is it in focus? Yeah, we're in focus. Glacial. Love this stuff. God, I love this stuff. Awesome restrictor cap. It's great stuff. Great stuff. Really good. Really good. No scent, so I mean you get that the properties of a splash with no scent. Any menthol, lots and lots of menthol. So my face is a little bit, so Stirling's bombs, a little really goes a long way. And since my face is a little bit wet, oh yeah, oh I can feel it. Man, this is a great shave. I mean, man. Jim, dude, thank you for those blades. I'm going to go ahead and use those in a couple more shaves, and then I'll move on to the ones that Manny gave me. Those are really, really good. Man, this was a fantastic shave. I'm happy. I am really, really, really happy. I mean, the shave lasted, I expected it to be about this long, but okay. Let me do a quick wrap up. Whisker Destructor, the CJB Kamisori. This thing, I love it. You guys know how much I love this thing, and I actually am starting to like this style of blade over the DE blades when it comes to shavettes. But at the same time, I've only got, what, 5 shavette shaves under my belt, where I've had like 25 of this one, right? So, so there's a, I've got more experience with the Kamisori than I do with the shavette. So we'll see how it goes over the next few months, okay? Yulay shave bowl, man, this thing is fantastic. If you are just a straight up face latherer, you know, you load from the tub or whatever, and then you go to a lather and a bowl lather, I think I could recommend this one. I mean, it whips up lather quick. I mean, really quick, and it's just freaking fantastic. Like I think I mentioned, the only gripe, you can't press soap. So if you have a bunch of samples, you can't really press them in here because half the soap will be inside the little combs there, right? You can get it out. It takes a lot of digging and stuff like that, right? I tried it with a boar brush, and it's okay, but man, this thing can whip up a mean old freaking lather. I do like it. Stirling fan. You guys know how much I like my Stirling, and I do dig the fan brush. I do dig it. Soap. Margaritas in the Arctic. This is the glacial version, which I sure hope he comes out with it again this year. If he does, guys, you have to grab it. Post shave was the both glacial unscented splash and glacial unscented balm. Witch hazel. Yeah, that's about it, guys. That's a wrap. Shoot. I mean, I got one bleeder that's not stopping. The other ones, I think I can pretty much say are stopped. I'm gonna call it. That was fantastic, guys. Damn. Thanks for joining me. This is great. So, just really quick, in my last video, I put up a mail call video on some stuff that SoCal Shaves sent over to me. That stuff I didn't want to use today because I was doing the Kamisori shave, and that stuff I know nothing about. So with the ones that he sent me, I'm going to be using probably DE with those. I'll try to record as many as I can, but we'll see what happens over the next couple weeks. Okay, guys? Okay, this went long enough. Thanks again for joining me. Everybody have a great weekend. Happy Easter if you guys celebrate. And as always, everybody, please do not text and drive. Until next time, have a good weekend, everybody. Bye-bye.